Hello everyone. I'm so excited to share with you my method for elevating my everyday meals with the balsamic vinegar products from the Fondo Montebello brand from Modena, Italy. Today I'm going to use my Fondo Montebello Balsamic Vinegar of Modena in a delightful marinade that will really elevate my steak to restaurant quality. This vinegar has a medium thick consistency and a sweet and slightly acidic taste. Let's prep the marinade for my steak dinner. It's so easy, and my balsamic vinegar will be the star of the show. I love the easy off, easy on cap on this lovely bottle. Keeps the vinegar well protected. So my meat marinade recipe includes 2 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Fondo Montebello balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 scant tablespoon of lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar and about 1 clove of minced fresh garlic. I then add a little salt and pepper to taste. And now we give the marinade a good whisk. I'm only going to use about half of this for my steak and I'll refrigerate the rest to use on a piece of chicken later in the week. I then brush my marinade onto my steak. I want to ensure I get the marinade on all sides, and then I'll wrap it up and put it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. The acid from the vinegars and lime juice will tenderize the steak by breaking down the muscle fibers, while at the same time adding a bright, acidic taste. It's now time to grill up my delicious steak dinner. I heat up a little extra virgin olive oil in a stovetop grill pan. Oh my, listen to that delicious sizzle. That balsamic-based marinade is going to taste so delicious. I like my steak medium to medium well, so I'll continue grilling until the internal temperature is between 140 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, while my steak is resting, I'll prep a nice salad. For my salad dressing, I used my Fondo Montebello balsamic vinegar to make a nice creamy vinaigrette. Homemade is so much better than bottled dressings. Look at this plate. An exquisite restaurant-quality meal in the comfort of my own home. Of course, I'll snap a picture to send to friends and family and let them know that they should definitely try the Fondo Montebello line of balsamic vinegar products. I hope you'll give this balsamic vinegar a go as well. I know you'll love it as much as I do. Take care, and ta-ta for now.